Hello everyone! We have created this LangChain series of tutorials to demonstrate what we have learned and to showcase its various applications. Before diving into LangChain, we will first cover some foundational topics to set the stage and then focus on LangChain itself. The first topic we are going to see is artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? After reviewing various sources, we believe this explanation is the most suitable. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Let's look at the tasks that need human intelligence. Learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, language, understanding. Since our main focus is on LangChain, we will not delve into the details of these tasks. Let's move on to the next topic: machine learning. When we hear the term machine learning, a lot of things come to mind. So, what exactly is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML, is a fascinating field of study within artificial intelligence. It's all about developing and studying statistical algorithms that can learn from data. ML's ability to generalize from seen data to unseen data makes it so powerful, allowing systems to perform tasks without explicit instructions. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict outcomes based on the data it has learned from. It's like giving the machine its own set of eyes and a brain to think. Now, let's dive deeper and explore the next exciting topic: deep learning. Deep learning might sound a bit complex, but it's actually quite interesting. So, what is deep learning? Deep learning is a part of machine learning. It uses layers of neural networks called deep neural networks to mimic how the human brain makes decisions. These networks help systems process large amounts of data, find detailed patterns, and make smart decisions on their own. Now let's move on to explore another exciting topic: natural language processing. Let's move on to natural language processing, commonly called NLP. Have you ever wondered how your phone's virtual assistant or chatbots understands your voice and text commands? How translation apps convert languages so quickly? That's all thanks to NLP. Natural language processing enables machines to understand and respond to human language. It's the technology behind chatbots, voice assistants, and many other applications that make our interactions with machines more natural and intuitive. Next, we'll explore another fascinating area: transformers. Let's dive into the world of transformers. And no, we're not talking about the robots from the movies, though it would be cool if our neural networks could transform into cars. Transformers are a type of neural network architecture that transforms or changes an input sequence into an output sequence. Introduced in the groundbreaking paper "Attention is All You Need," transformers have revolutionized the way models handle sequential data. They are deeply linked with large language models because transformers serve as the foundational architecture for many of the most advanced LLMs today. Now, let's move on to our next topic: large language models. All right, let's dive into the world of LLMs. LLMs are truly remarkable and are at the heart of many advanced AI applications developed using frameworks like LangChain, LLaMA Index, Hugging Face's transformers. So what exactly is an LLM? Well, LLM stands for Large Language Model. These models are artificial neural networks that utilize the transformer architecture, which was invented in 2017. They're trained on massive amounts of text data to learn patterns and relationships within the language. Think of them as incredibly smart systems that can understand and generate natural language and other types of content like image, video, to perform a wide range of tasks. Now that we've got a grasp on LLMs, let's move on to our next exciting topic, generative AI. Let's talk about something really cool, generative AI. Have you ever wondered how computers can create art, write stories, or even make videos just from a simple instruction? That's the magic of generative AI. Generative artificial intelligence is AI that can create text, images, videos, or other data using special models in response to prompts. It's like having a creative assistant that can produce amazing content based on what you ask it to do. Now, let's move on to our next exciting topic, LangChain. All right, wait is over. Let's see the core topic that pulls you here. LangChain. LangChain is not just another framework, it's a game changer in the world of large language models, or LLMs. This powerful framework streamlines the process of developing, deploying, and managing applications that leverage the incredible capabilities of LLMs. LangChain simplifies every stage of the LLM application lifecycle. First, there's development. You can build applications using LangChain's open-source building blocks like chains and LCEL, and components such as prompts, models, retrieval, composition, parsers, memory, and callbacks. Next, we have monitoring. With LangSmith, you can inspect, monitor, and evaluate chains to ensure everything runs smoothly. Finally, deployment. You can turn your chain into an API with LangServe, making it easy to share and use. We're diving deeper into LangChain architecture, an awesome framework for creating cool applications with large language models. LangChain is super flexible and easy to use, whether you're new to tech or a pro. Let's explore the core libraries that make up LangChain: LangChain Core, LangChain Community, LangChain Template, LangServe, LangSmith, LangGraph. Join me as we uncover the details of each libraries and discover how LangChain is shaping the future of language-based technologies. Let's explore LangChain libraries, starting with LangChain Core. LangChain Core forms the foundation of the LangChain framework, which includes essential basic elements and the LangChain expression language. Basic Elements establishes the fundamental components for developers to create advanced applications using large language models. The LangChain expression language simplifies interactions and enhances the flexibility of integrating different parts within the framework. Let's see LangChain Community. LangChain Community features third-party integrations that utilize the foundational interfaces established in LangChain Core, ensuring they are plug-and-play compatible with any LangChain application. Let us see the main components of the LangChain library. First, being chains. Chains refer to sequences of operations or tasks orchestrated to achieve specific goals in a structured and coordinated manner. These chains can involve interactions with LLMs, data processing steps, and various computations. Let's move on to agents. Agents in LangChain are entities programmed to autonomously perform tasks within the application. They utilize the capabilities of LLMs and other tools integrated into the framework to execute predefined actions based on inputs or triggers. Agents play a crucial role in automating processes and enhancing application functionality. Shall we move on? Next topic, retrieval strategies. Retrieval strategies in LangChain dictate how information or resources are retrieved and utilized within the application. They involve techniques for accessing data from external sources, querying databases, or fetching results from previous interactions. By implementing effective retrieval strategies, developers can optimize the application's performance and enhance its ability to respond to user queries or tasks. Now we will dive into LangChain templates. LangChain templates are customizable pre-designed structures that developers can use as starting points for creating applications which can save time and effort. Templates include configurations, workflows, and components tailored to specific use cases. Let us see a few example templates. Retrieval Augmented Generation Chatbot, which build a chatbot over your data. Extraction with OpenAI functions, which do extraction of structured data from unstructured data. Local Retrieval Augmented Generation, which build a chatbot using local tooling like Ollama, GPT-4All, Chroma, OpenAI functions. Agent, which build a chatbot that can take actions. Now we can see what is LangServe. LangServe helps developers deploy LangChain runnables and chains as a REST API. This library is integrated with Fast API and uses Pydantic for data validation. Most importantly, we also get a playground experience, which is very nice to have. In this playground, you can change the values of certain configurable parameters, as well as try out different inputs and get the response streamed back in real time. Okay. We can also monitor all actions using LangSmith. Let's see that briefly. LangSmith is a platform for building production-grade LLM application by monitoring and evaluating the application so you can ship quickly and with confidence. With LangSmith, you can tailor your language model interactions to meet specific needs, making your applications more effective and personalized. Now, we will see another interesting and important topic, which is LangGraph. LangGraph is inspired by Preagle and Apache Beam. LangGraph is a library for creating complex applications using language models used to create agent and multi-agent workflows. Compared to other LLM frameworks, it offers these core benefits: cycles, controllability, and persistence. As a very low-level framework, it provides fine-grained control over both the flow and state of your application, crucial for creating reliable agents. Additionally, LangGraph includes built-in persistence, enabling advanced human-in-the-loop and memory features. We have skipped some of the libraries in this introductory video to avoid overcomplicating things at the start. Don't worry, we will cover them in more detail at a later stage.